Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, standard 10th, and the book which I am going to use is A Footprint Without Feet. Chapter number 4, A Question of Trust. So, today I am going to give you a summary of a question of a trust. What is a trust? Trust means bharosa. This article is about a question of trust summary from 10th standard English. The author of this short story is Horace Denby. So keep in mind about this character name Horace Denby. This story is about a thief who gets a taste of his own deeds. It's a story of a thief. Thief means chor. Horace Denby is a thief completely. Thief means chor. He steals only once in a year. साल में एक ही बार चोरी करता है. He is fond of books and spends most of his money on buying books. Also, he plans accurately before attempting any burglary. During his burglary attempt at a big house, he studied well before entering the house for stealing some of the safe. A lady thief cheated on him who claims herself to be the owner of the house. Finally, Horace ends up in prison only to regret the way that a man should not trust anyone, particularly from his own profession. So I'll go in details about this chapter, so please pay attention. Horace Denby was a good person. He was 50 years old but still unmarried. Horace Denby was a locksmith. Locksmith means जो ताले बनाता है वो. He was a very successful businessman. He had 2 assistants to help him. Being good and respectable, but he was not totally honest. He was fond of rare and expensive books. He purchased them at any cost. For this, he robbed safe only once in a year. Safe means tijori todna. He purchased these books secretly through an agent before making a theft. He chalked out plan well. This time he had observed the house at Shootover Grange. Shootover Grange, it's a place. It doesn't has any meaning. So Shootover Grange, it's a place. So he goes there and he observes it for a lot. He observed it for 2 weeks. He studied even the minute things about that house. The family was now in London. I am talking about the house where the family were living, Shootover Grange. So the family was now in London. The 2 caretaker servant of the house had gone to the movies. He jumped out from behind the garden wall and came inside the house. He had taken a key from the kitchen door hook. Then he wore gloves. He opened the door. He was very careful enough to leave any fingerprints. There was a vase of flower on the table. The fragrance of the flower tickled his nose. He sneezed out repeatedly. Then he heard the voice of a young lady. She pretended to be the wife of the owner of that house. She told him that she had come there suddenly because she wanted her jewels to wear them at the party at night. So basically, all people were out of they left the place and they were in London. Only two servants were there. Then, how this lady came inside the house and claiming to be the owner's wife? So, it's an interesting thing. So, please pay attention. There is a trick, there is a twist in this lesson. Danby requested the lady to let him go home. She asked him to open the safe as she needed the jewels, but she had forgotten the number. Danby willingly opened the safe without gloves. The young lady got the jewels. Horace Danby went away happily because he had escaped from being imprisoned. On the third day, a policeman had arrested him for the jewel robbery at Shotoverganj. So, what happened? That lady who met Horace Danby, she was a thief actually. And what she played a trick, she told Horace Danby to open the safe. So Horace Danby opened the safe, gave that jewelry to her, and she told him to, you go. Why all this thing Horace Danby did? Because he was thinking she would call the policeman and he would go to the jail. But what happened? At the third day, policeman came and arrested Horace Danby. His fingerprints were found at the robber's place. He confessed that he had opened the safe for the young wife of the owner of the house, but in reality, the owner's wife was about 60 years old. She said that the story was not true. No one believes Danby. Now the police arrested him. He was assisted librarian in the prison. जेल में वो एक लाइब्रेरियन का काम करने लगा. कौन? हॉरेस डैनबे. और उसकी कहानी कोई सुनने के लिए तैयार नहीं है कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ. कि एक